What's up, Sideballer again? It's boy Sideballer, guys. How you guys doing today? Cooking video again. Today we're making I just forgot taco. Yeah, I'm making taco in the bag, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, share the video, like the video, and comment on the video, guys. And join the Sideballer gang. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon. So I didn't vlog for you guys today. I was working early, so I'm sorry for that. But let me show you guys the ingredients I have. Got cheese, you know. You don't have to eat cheese, guys, but we got cheese, we got ground beef, obviously. I got 2 different bags, Doritos and spicy one, sour cream if you want it, and a taco seasoning, tomatoes. There's more stuff you could add, but I don't do it. So I'm gonna start cooking the food, guys, but I'll see you guys. That's for me, guys, the beef. I'm gonna be doing the tomatoes and lettuce. I'll show you guys. We're gonna do it together, guys. I will show you guys. Hold up. Okay, Sideballer gang. My sister took my cutting board, so I don't really care, you know. This is how I do it. If I can't find the raw equipment, I just use something. But I'm gonna do the lettuce quick. I'm gonna put the lettuce in this bowl. Beef. Okay, guys, I did the beef, or she did the beef. I'm about to put the taco seasoning. Then 3/4 cup of water. Then she's gonna mix the beef, and then once it's done, I'll show you guys how it looks like. Okay, I did the tomatoes and I did the lettuce. Oh shit, guys, I have never tasted this kind of taco in a bag. But this is the good ones at school, but homemade is good, guys. Everything homemade is good. What is I gonna say? I don't have see, I have the big ones, guys. If you guys notice, I have the big ones. I don't have the small little taco in the bags. I think you're gonna need a plate or something or a bowl. But I'll show you guys when everything's done. What's good? The meat is done, guys. I'm about to serve the food. And I'll show you guys after. It's good, man. This is the one I made, guys, and I'm about to taste it. I'm about to taste it and let you guys know. Okay, guys, I'm about to taste it and let you guys know how I feel. It's good. Okay, guys, it was good. I'm about to eat my food, guys, and thank you guys for tuning in until the end of the video, guys. And make sure, like I said, you guys subscribe and do all that thing. So if you guys want me to make more cooking videos, guys, let me know in the comment section. Peace out, yo. Sideballer gang out. No, what it